Welcome. I know you want to make or create free professional paystub for yourself, global custom paystub, US paystub, Canada paystub, UK paystub, Australia paystub or any part of the world pre-designed templates. Yes, indeed, you have come to the right place. Let's get started. Now we are going to create free paystub for USA and Canada using global paystub. It is very simple and easy to do it, and it takes less than a minute. Now, click on the global paystub to open the template, and don't worry about the calculation because our template will take care of all math, but rather you can tweak it according to how you want it. You can change any character, figures, or numbers as you want. Create unlimited paystub with different colors, worldwide currency, etc. Enter all the fields to create your professional paystub for free. Enter your employee ID, period start date and ending date as well as pay date, including check number. Once finish, click on download paystub and also enter your email address so we can immediately send your paystub to the preferred email you want to send it to, and also download a copy on your computer. If the paystub is not in your inbox, please check your spam messages. Simple as ABCD. Also, check out for Canadian template, USA paystub for all 52 states, Australia and United Kingdom. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any upcoming YouTube video. Thank you and God bless you. Shalom.